Hello guys, we are going to see how we can deploy our fast API project on Railway. It is one of interesting platform where we can deploy our Python based framework like Django, Flask and fast API. We have another platform like Python Anywhere where we can definitely deploy our project very easily and simply, and it is also reliable for the Python based project. But the issue with this platform on the free trial is like we cannot deploy the fast API because fast APIs provide ASGI sports, and this platform on free trial don't support the ASGI feature. So for this purpose, we need to go to the railway, and we need to simply like connect our account or sign up with our email or GitHub, whatsoever you want to. So once you will sign up, you will land on the dashboard, and it will ask how you want to deploy your project. It's provide like simple multiple ways, like you can provide the Docker image. It will take the Docker image and to build the container for you and run that container for your project. And the next thing, you can connect your GitHub account with it, and it is most reliable way and most recommended way on the railway. You can simply connect your GitHub, and once you will connect your GitHub, you can select your project which you want to deploy. Like I'm going to deploy the fast API project, so I connected my fast API project with the railway. And if my project is using Docker image, then it automatically detect the Docker image and push that Docker image. Once it will like build the Docker image, then it will run the container for that Docker image, so it can run our project on public URL, right? And the other and any other ways, like if we have a requirement or txt, it will create the like virtual environment, and it will run our project. So it's very simple. Just connect your like GitHub repo with it, and it will automatically, like you can see, automatically build and run the projects. So here you can see it's detected the Docker file, because in my project I have a Docker file. It's detected this one and then install the Docker image, and once it built the Docker image, then it run the container for this. So once it run the container, and then simply it's showing deployment is successful. After this, we just simply click on the setting. So once we will go there and pick the like the URL from there, it will not accessible publicly. So here is the option. We need to click on the generate domain, and it automatically bind with our port, like 8000, 5000, whatsoever we are using. It will bind with this port. Once it will bind with this port, we can access our project publicly. So once I will like copy this URL and paste here, like you can see, once I will paste here, then it will definitely showing my project is running on this URL. On the other hand, if we deploy our project on the Python Anywhere, then fast API will not run. Like if we make some changes, like in WSGI file we serve to the ESGI file, and then you still face some issue on the free trial, and it is not reliable if you deploy your project on Python Anywhere. So my according to my recommendation, you need to deploy your project on railway. And another thing you need to remember is like it's provide $5 once you will sign up on this account, and this $5 will be valid for 30 days. So you can like test and deploy your project for 30 days only. After this, you need to pay for this service, otherwise your project will not run and your services will be uh, like down and not accessible publicly. So these are the steps you can simply deploy your Python project, like fast API, Flask, Django, whatsoever the framework you are using. You can simply deploy this project. Hope so you will find this video very helpful. If you want more helpful video, then please subscribe my channel.